Monday, One Hot Biters. We are mixing dessert and happy hour today. So, I mean, it's Monday. We've had a great weekend, but we're gonna make for the greatest week, and we're gonna start out with beer floats. So my first time ever doing or having a beer float was in Las Vegas at the Burger Bar, and we had a beer paddle, and it had all these different varying colors of beer, different kinds of ice cream, and it was seriously the craziest, neatest thing I've ever had. So I'm gonna show you that today. We're gonna do 3 different kinds of beers. We're gonna have a dark beer, a stout, and then we are going to work our way into a Hefeweizen beer, and then we're going to take ourselves all the way down to summer into a golden ale. We're going to mix ice creams, different ice creams that go with each one of these, and we're going to garnish them up just right. So stick with me here real quick, and we're going to put together 3 of the best beer floats your summer's asking for. Okay, the first beer float we're gonna start dark, and we're gonna work our way light. So we're gonna start with our dark beer, our stout, and we're gonna mix it with Dulche de Leche ice cream, and we're gonna top it with a caramel. So we're not talking calories today, just like plug your ears to that. We're not even gonna think about that today. We're gonna enjoy our beer float. Okay, so we're gonna start with our Dulche de Leche ice cream. Now for our stout beer. Ooh, look how creamy. And we're going to top with this one with a caramel. Cheers. Okay, let's do our Hefeweizen and Strawberry. Open our Hefeweizen beer. We're of course going to garnish this one with a strawberry. Okay, and our last one, because we're working into summer, we're going to do a golden ale lemon sorbet. Ooh, this one's going to be so good. Our golden ale. We're going to garnish this one with a fresh sliced lemon. And there you have it. All 3 dark to light beer floats. And there we have it. We have all 3 of them done. I will go ahead and leave exactly what I put in each one. Not that they're super complicated, but I'll have it all down below for you there. Thank you for sharing happy hour with me today, and a little bit of dessert, because we all deserve a little of that. So anyhow, thank you guys for being here, and we gotta give these a taste, right? That would be wrong if I didn't. Okay, we're gonna start dark. So here I have my stout, the Dulche de Leche ice cream. It's so fluffy. It's almost like coffee, but with a kick. So this is really good. Really super sweet, but not too sweet. Has that kick of the dark stout beer. I would have this every evening. This is actually really good. Or morning, because it's like coffee. Cheers. Okay, let's try our number 2. This is our Hefeweizen and Strawberry ice cream. Let's see if I can get, This one's fluffy. Oh wow. The Hefeweizen is just so smooth and it really brings out that strawberry flavor. This is super refreshing by the pool. Okay, we said we'd try all three. So this is our pale ale, our golden ale, and lemon sorbet. So we've now hit summer. We've gone from winter to summer. Oh, that's super refreshing. That's really good. The lemon really comes out, but yet it cools it with that beer. I'm gonna take a little swig. Wow, you seriously can't beat these. You gotta make these right away. So I wanna say cheers to you. Happy Monday, have a wonderful week. And I'm gonna have a sip of this one. Honestly, these are also good. You cannot go wrong. So cheers to you, have a wonderful week. And I will see you Thursday. We're gonna make the best melt in your mouth buffalo chicken sandwiches you've ever had. They are so super good. So anyhow, I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a great week.